Is Sunworks stock a buy now? As things stand now, during the session of December the 3rd, 2020, Sunworks is currently up 12.68%. That is trading at $4.62. This is after it had pulled back over 40% since the 23rd of November 2020. So as things stand now, is it a buy now? Okay, let's see what's going on technically before we try and see if we can answer that question. Sunworks appears to be correcting within a longer term bullish trend, although its MACD is presently below the signal line. Shares remain 233.13% above the upward sloping 200-day moving average. It is its comparative relative strength analysis shows that this issue is outperforming the S&P 500 index. Momentum for Sunworks, as measured by the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator, is waning. That was before, if you add up everything that's been going on since the 23rd of November 2020. This means that investors are less aggressive in their recent purchases and may even be taking profits in positions, but at lower prices. Indeed, some might be, but what's going on now, I bet that most of them there's a good amount of buying going on now, given the 12.68% increase. Volume as measured by the unbalanced volume indicator is rising and therefore bullish. This is because the volume is greater on up periods than on down periods, and implies that buyers are presently more active than sellers. The Bollinger Bands are presently wider than usual as a result of greater than normal volatility that accompanied the recent price move. Events such as this may precede a pause or reversal in the near-term trend. So we can see what's going on here. So Sunworks is currently rising. So we believe as it is now, let's refresh and find out where it is. It is at 12.2% increase. That is 4.60. So exactly where it is now. So I would believe that yes, it's giving that 40% pullback. Indeed, it has presented a buying opportunity, and it is also currently trading below its 10-day moving average. So if you want to get into Sunworks for the long term, yes, the opportunity has been presented slightly, even though it's not top quality, but a top quality would have been, somewhere a consolidation sideways movement. Is a consolidation, a pullback below probably the 50-day moving average, but right now it's not too bad. I would say yes, jump in, I would say Sunworks is a buy, for now, given the 12.2% increase. So, but it's also, you have to be really careful. Because it has just notched up this amount of gain. So even though you might be looking at what has happened in the past, it is also still very risky, even at this 12.2% increase. So I would say it's a buy, but you have to know that it could also even decline, and even decline beyond below $4, and even you start losing money. But given the broad picture, the fundamentals concerning Sunworks and all of the green tech and green movement, yes, Sunworks is in a space, and also there's also confidence. There's optimism. People are really to put in their money, and that is what actually drives the stocks, not absolutely their fundamentals, because as you probably know very well, the fundamentals could be awesome, but if nobody knows about the equity, nobody's putting money into it, it will not move. So the reverse is also the case. So we also have that CFRA has a sell rating on on Sunworks. So, given some of this negative sentiments from analysts and their like, and also the amount of short interest, even though it's not a lot, not a lot, it's about 5%. Yes, yeah, and also when you add up all that is going on fundamentally, I think yes, the future is not that bad for Sunworks. So there's a slight window now if you really are feeling confident giving this 12.2% jump in. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share if you've already subscribed. Thank you very much for watching this video.